Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aditi Vakharia and I am standing with Jane in my final semester of Masters in Ferguson College. So we've set up the tripod stand. Today is our presentation and we are performing a part of a play.
We prepared
For Aarti, I'm not moving this thing.
prepared for the presentation in like quite literally
Yesterday guys,
I don't know like 7 hours. By the way, this is 350.
oh my god, so many people have come up. Oh my god.
Of course,
guys, there are too many people who've turned up. Crazy guys, crazy. Okay, so lots of people have turned up. Rucha, dude, why are you so worried? It's good. It's very nice. Perfect it is.
When you come back for me again, when I come back for you, Shanti, do you think I've abandoned you? Not abandoned, but you fulfill your vow and start loving me again. Why did I agree to see you again? Why did you?
Well, Bhaktigan is all done. Certainly, fantastic performance. Whose idea it was to dramatize the whole presentation? Perfect, Aditi. Yeah, perfect. And how did you unscript it? Fantastic. I am impressed very well.
One tight slap.
So we are exploring the Hanafi Theatre. So in a very crazy turn of events, the professor whose lecture we had today morning, my father wants to meet him since a long time because he wants to know what are my career options ahead like. So regarding that, he wants to meet him. He's been asking me to arrange a meeting since a long time, but since I was so scared of of my professor and I was not able to build up the courage until today, but I finally did it today, and tomorrow they have a meeting. So yeah, that is gonna happen tomorrow, and I'm just like trying to digest that fact as of now. So yes, that is it, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. 8:50. Today I will try and show you guys around college. Yeah, Ria is here too. Say hi. Yeah.
There's just so much reality in Aditi's life right now.
Yes, I am a totally new person than I was 2 hours ago, guys.
Revolution.
Yes, but it is a very good.
Only good is gonna happen now.
Whatever. Yes.
Only good may come this way. Manifesting.
So I did not show you guys around the college, but okay, we still have more days to go. So maybe tomorrow. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's Thursday today, and we've turned up for an 8:30 am lecture again. Like we turned up every
College
day.
is absolutely deserted. There's nobody around.
Today, for sure, I will show you around
Yes, you can
college.
for sure.
For sure, I will show you around. Okay, so this is the way to the canteen and also to the washroom, which is another ladies' recreational hall. Recreation hall. And yeah, this is how it looks. Let's go to class. People have turned up for the Thursday lecture. Not a lot of people turn up at 8:30 on a Thursday, but today they have. Along with us. This is the view from class, okay. So for the next hour we are free. So I'll just take you around the beautiful spots, and you'll realize how aesthetic and beautiful Ferguson is. Okay, so that is the main building where we have our lectures, and now as we have ek tas off, we are going to the canteen to have some time pass. Yeah, exactly. So this is the library, and that is the famous Kimaya. That is the first canteen of. Is it the? Like not the first, but असं center, epicenter मध्ये येतं ते. It is the basketball court.
Because people like you keep on saying that there is another day yet to go and play basketball and we'll never go.
Tomorrow never comes in. And my camera has become blurred with whatever.
Why is it looking like my future?
So some time ago we saw this was the canteen. These are my friends. And this from here, like there are two ways to go to class. This is the first way here and second way over here. And that is Kimaya again. Okay.
What does this alley reminds you of?
This alley is the one that I've never taken. We've never walked from this road. We always take the one that goes from Kimaya. But this is a very pretty road, so इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हैं और ऐसे ट्राइपॉड में वैसे से शूट किया है. तो मेरे पीछे लाइब्रेरी है और हाँ, that's it guys. तो अब हम लोग चलेंगे प्रसन्ना सर के लेक्चर में, जिनके लेक्चर से हमने व्लॉग शुरू किया था, द प्रेजेंटेशन व्लॉग, एंड देन we again have the same lecture, so let's go. Okay guys, so this is the route, another pretty road towards class. Tia is here. Say hi. Very late she is. Okay, so this is the main building behind me. So behind me is the amphitheatre. In the morning we went to class by another route. अभी हम दूसरे रूट से जाएंगे. क्लास को जाने के दो रास्ते हैं, तो हम दूसरे रास्ते से जा रहे हैं अभी.
क्लास में जाने के 4 रास्ते हैं.
Sorry.
Main building has 4.
Oh my God, yes. 4 रास्ते हैं. तो हमने अभी एक ही देखा है. हम दूसरे रास्ते से जाएंगे. And मेरे पीछे amphitheatre है अभी. If you know what I mean.
I wanna go.
She's just come, guys. She wants to go home, but whatever. Let's go.
Really? Yes, just come.
Let's go, guys. Jay has taken a lot of efforts. The cameraman needs appreciation over here.
in which we will discuss the measures depicted or used in the knowledge in detail.
So we are at the beginning of the next lecture and our professor is arranging current tickets for us. Such are our professors. Like the lecture starts at 11:30 guys, okay? It's literally 12:10 right now. But but she's like, have you all have not got the tickets? Let me see what I can do. And like the whole class is waiting.
She's putting contact from my
Yeah. So this is what happens. Just another day. This is nothing new. This is nothing new. Okay, this keeps happening. So that was just the time lapse of the entire lecture that just got over. So today we thought that let's have ice cream before going home. तो अभी हम लोग आइसक्रीम खाने जा रहे हैं गाइस. बहुत ही धूप है गाइस. That was our last year's class over there. That was our last year. It's a small cottage type class, very cozy.
What I like about this weather is that the sky is blue and that doesn't really happen.
This is this is how Jane gave her third TED talk for the day. Like how to always be positive and yeah.
Stay away from toxicity, feel the sun.
So we are here to have ice cream. We are done with the lecture for the day. But before we start shooting for my video, we are shooting for Ria's reel. So this is another place where we like sit and talk.
First time I'm sitting here.
Yeah, but okay, from today. We've just finished shooting for Ria's reel and like
I haven't finished actually.
whatever. Outside shoot is done and यहाँ पे जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा धूप शुरू हो गई है तो हम लोग ने यहाँ पे से रेस्ट ले लिया.
Face look like that.
This is the arts faculty building. यहाँ पे बैचलर जो इंग्लिश के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके क्लासेस होते हैं. ऐसे एग्जैक्ट सामने मेन बिल्डिंग
मेरा ऑफिस है.
ठीक आहे. खूपच कन्फ्युज्ड. ठीक आहे काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. खूपच कन्फ्युज्ड आहे मी आता बट ठीक आहे चालतं. सो दिस इज किमया. So this is the library and that is where we first shot on the very first day. वहाँ से दूसरा रास्ता जाता है, यहाँ से दूसरा रास्ता जाता है. That is Anna Canteen over there. And if you go further down that road, there is the Media Canteen. So guys, as we come to the end of this vlog, I was thinking की कसा याला एंड करू, but खूप असं विचार केल्यावरती मला असं रिअलाइज झालं की we are going to be talking to people around. This is Ketki, this is my junior and only junior person friend that I have.
Junior person.
Yeah, whatever. This is not scripted guys, so please adjust.
Hi.
Okay guys, this bottle is for the plot. It's my mic till I get a real one. Yes. So if you subscribe and if I get good watch hours, I might be able to get a mic with the video and with the money that I get. If this is your last year as well along with us.
Yes,
So
it is.
what would you like to say? How do you feel?
Okay, so today is my last day as well. I've
Oh my
just
God.
cried right now with my classmates. So it feels amazing actually. I mean, obviously I'm going to miss this. I'm going to miss you. You're my favorite student. along with.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
Yes. So.
Awkward.
Yeah, but in general, so I am going to miss this, but I'm also excited about what life has next planned for me because I'm just finishing my bachelor's. I still have to do my master's, so I'm excited as well. So it's like a bittersweet feeling kind of a thing.
Yeah, so anything that you would like to say? So imagine you are 50 years old and you're watching this. So what would you like to see then? So you have to say it right now.
I just want to say that I hope I have money.
Assess.
Yes, I hope we have money and we celebrate Diwali together and all the other festivals because that is who I want to be in future, where I host house parties and you have to come.
Yes, so yeah, we have had a lot of good times together.
Yes, if that doesn't happen, then fuck you, Ketaki. Fuck you, future Ketaki.
Yeah, so
You had so much
thank
hope.
you. Yes, guys. Let's move forward, guys. Let's move forward. Come on. अब एक स्टूडेंट से बात कर लेंगे. Please come. This is Ella. She's in my. We are in the same class. She's in my class. We are in the same class. 2 साल से हम एक साथ पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello everyone.
Do you like to say something nice to the video that would make it make sense? Help me out here. I don't know what to ask you.
Like to say these 2 years in Ferguson have been like a roller coaster ride. And I mean, we have made friends, we have broken up with them, we have made new friends, we got to know new people literally at the end of the semester.
Broken up and blocked people.
Yeah. So it's.
अगर तुम ये वीडियो आज से 50 साल बाद देखोगे तो तुम इला को क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Just remember the good times. I mean, despite whatever happened, remember the good times. There were good people at one.
Like me, thank you.
Yeah. There are good people and there is some good in everyone.
So moving on, we have spoken to some of our classmates and other people, but now we are going to talk to some of our professors. And first up, we have Prasanna sir, who's mentioned, like there was constant mention in the entire video. If you have seen the entire video, so we would be talking to him now. So sir, can you say hi to him? Hi to him.
First of all, hi Aditi.
Yes.
Hi there.
So, what is your one key takeaway from teaching our batch, specifically our batch?
Work less, play more.
Next question is, what good you have become if not a professor?
That's a difficult question. Since I have become a professor now, so what if I had not become a professor? I think I would have still tried to become a professor because I had always wanted to become a professor. But still, to answer your question directly, that is what you would expect from me because this is not a classroom interaction. I think I would have become a writer. I would have liked to become a writer.
Okay. And the final one would be one advice that you would give to us and to anyone who's watching this video.
Number one, this is not in my nature to give advices to others because they are always given, they are never taken. Number two, if at all to keep up with the present activity of you wanting to record me and then perpetuate this interaction through this video which Jane is very kindly recording, and she also agreed to become a tripod for you very magnanimously, and while Shatakshi and Gayatri are enjoying silently the whole interaction, my only advice to your batch would be work more than you play. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So guys, sir was not how he is acting, like mostly with us, but
It was a little stiff.
little, yeah.